Do you want to boost your engagement on Instagram? Polls are the easiest way to spark conversations and connect with your audience. In this quick tutorial, I'll show you how to create an eye-catching poll in Canva and upload it directly on Instagram in just a few minutes. Hey everyone, this is Brand Locally. If you're new here, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more contents like this. If you don't have any Canva application on your phone, just download it right here on App Store or Play Store. And if you already have it, just open it and it will lead you directly to Canva. Let's go to templates. And since we're talking about polls here, we want something for our story. Like, for example, I'm in a real estate business and I want to make something for my story. Let's go to templates. Click polls. So see here, there's a lot of polls popping up. Then let's check one right here. Okay. So this one is a square one. So we're not targeting a post. We're targeting a story. So let's go back to Canva again. And let's search up post Instagram story. Okay. And if you want to be more specific, put up real estate. So, real estate. Then let's just scroll down a little bit until we find a good perfect poll that we want to ask the person. The people actually. So let's maybe I like the first one, this one and the other one too. But let's check this first. What's the first room you do when you're inspecting a house? This one is nice, but let's see the other one too. How important are these factors to you? Location, floor plan, lot size, features. Oh, that's nice. So I really like this one, so I'm gonna customize this. So whenever you're adding a poll in Instagram, you have to delete the one, this one. So the location, floor plan, lot size, features, because you're gonna add it into the Instagram itself. I'm gonna show you in a few minutes. Like, I don't want this picture right here, so let's delete the image. Then I want the background to be a little bit different. Maybe this living room right here. Then let's put it like that. Oh, now I'm gonna download this one. Okay, let's preparing your design, making the magic happen. Let's wait for it and boom. Okay, so let's gonna go to our Instagram account. Now click your story right here and click the poll that you're going to upload and add. See the toolbar above. Click the second one and find the poll. Okay, so we're not gonna ask the question. What we're going to do is we're gonna copy the poll in the Canva itself into this one, like what I said earlier. Like, first is location, second is floor plan, next is lot size, and lastly is features. Okay, so what are we going to do here is we're gonna fit everything right here. You just have to adjust the size a little bit, so a lot of people will click it. Now, is it even now? Oh, it's not. So I'm just gonna adjust it like this. Okay. There you go. Now we have our Instagram story. And don't forget to click the left bottom, your stories. And that's it. So let's wait for it to upload in 2 seconds. It's taking too long to upload. Let's check it again. Loading, check. Posted. So if you want to vote on your poll, just click maybe location. There you go. And that's it for today. If you like this kind of content, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. I'll see you on my next video. Bye bye.